If naka-iOS 26 ka or iPhone user ka or you're just curious about the iOS 26, please watch this video. So for context, this is my version ng iOS. So ito yung magandang example na video. So ito yung sounds ko with the standard mode. And ililipat ko siya sa voice isolation. Baba ko lang yung notification bar, camera controls, voice isolation. Then instantly, mag-iiba na yung tunog ng audio nitong microphone ng phone ko. So, kahit may nag-grinder dito, hindi nyo siya naririnig. Boses ko lang yung naririnig ko. So this will be very helpful for those creators na walang wireless microphones or hindi afford yung wireless microphones na maganda and they just want to record, point and shoot na wala na masyadong setup. So, if naka-iOS 26 din kayo, please let me know kung alam nyo yung ganitong feature or kung ginagamit nyo rin ba yung ganitong way para i-manipulate yung quality ng audio ng phone natin. So, please let me know po sa mga naka-iOS 26 din. So, yun lang muna, and if you learned something about this video, please like, follow, and subscribe for more.